How do you like living in London?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, next to Heathrow.
Next to what?
Heathrow.
Heathrow?
Yeah.
How
Do
long
you
have
like
you
living here?
Oh yeah, I love it.
How long have you been staying here?
15 years.
15 years.
Yeah.
Man, that's a long time. Where did you move to London from?
From Ethiopia.
Ethiopia? I
Yeah.
think we had a guy from Nigeria.
East Africa.
East Africa.
It is, yeah, exactly, yeah.
Why did you move to London?
Why?
Yeah. Family.
I mean, it was civil war.
Oh, civil war in Ethiopia?
Yeah. Because of the
It must be very expensive to live in London, right?
it is. It's expensive. Yeah.
Very, it's a busy city. Very
It is,
expensive.
yeah.
How much do you think the average people makes in London?
Average people like 40 to 60,000 a
Pound?
year. Yeah.
46,000 pounds a year.
Yeah.
That's not enough to live, is it? Like basically, just enough to live, like paycheck.
That's enough to live, yeah.
Yeah. And that's like Uber driver. Is that around how much the Uber driver makes?
Oh, even the doctors.
Even the doctor makes that much?
Yeah.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah, you need to be consultant or stuff like that to get 100 and 200 like that.
You used to be consultant, you said,
Sorry? You
What?
need to be consultant to get more.
to make more money.
Yeah.
What else do you have to be able to make over 100,000?
Like a lawyer.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about computer field?
Of course.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you think the computer, if you are in the computer IT field, you make more money?
Yeah.
Why didn't you try to go in the IT field then? Like
Who?
you?
Me.
Yeah. Is it too hard?
You know, when I came here, I make family. I made family, and then I got kids now, so
Yeah.
yeah, it's hard for me to go to school or to work, and then yeah.
But you can always learn that online, yeah?
It is true, yeah, it is true. Yeah.
You can make over 100 grand, 100 grand pounds a year, maybe more than that. Like average salary is like around 135, 140 pounds a year.
Okay. Is that what you do? Or?
Yeah.
Okay.
You know, like
Are you
that's
programmer?
I'm a programmer. I help people make that much money. Like I teach people how to, like you don't have to have a degree. Like
Okay.
yeah, you just learn online. So for a computer field and IT field, you do not need to have a degree.
Where do you live?
I live in Dallas, like in Texas, US.
All right.
Yeah, I'm just visiting here for a big conference.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so there was a conference in Excel, London.
Did you say you don't have to have a degree? You don't have to have a degree to do this?
No, you just need to learn the coding,
Yeah,
like
the
computer
coding, yeah.
programming.
Yeah.
And that's what I do. I teach so many people. It's like there are hundreds of people who go out and they are practicing as a data scientist and making like minimum 125 grand a year.
Wow. That's good.
Yeah, and a lot of people they don't even have a degree. Like just
Yeah.
like some of them have, but when you look for the IT job, they don't require you to have a degree.
All right.
Yeah.
That's interesting.
Yeah, like you want to be one of those like that? You want to learn programming? You know, like I'll give you my information, so like my LinkedIn and a YouTube channel.
Okay.
Follow me on that, and then see what do you think
Yeah,
about it.
definitely.